Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your address on Experian. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just recently moved and you want to go ahead and make sure that you change your address on Experian. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Experian. Next, we're going to click on the upper right-hand corner profile. Then click on your account. Now, once you're on this page here, you want to make sure that the account information tab is selected. You want to go ahead and scroll all the way down. And once you scroll all the way down, you should see your name, address, and phone number over here. So what you've got to do here is simply just click on the pencil icon, and then that's going to allow you to change your address. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know to go out about doing this. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.